Want to absolutely wreck your 20s? Say no more. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be a walking disaster in no time. Step 1. Never under any circumstances leave your comfort zone. If something feels hard, quit immediately. Growth is overrated anyway. Step 2. Financial genius. Spend every cent you make. Savings, retirement, puffed. Future, you can deal with that mess. Right now, you need those $200 shoes. Step 3. Live for the gram. Your self-worth is directly tied to likes and comments. No engagement? Delete it. Cry a little. Step 4. Health is for losers. Sleep? Who needs it? Water? Overrated. Exercise? Maybe tomorrow. Keep this up, and by 30, your body will be running on caffeine and regret. Step 5. Procrastinate everything. Want to live with constant anxiety? Easy. Just put off everything important. Dreams, responsibilities, personal growth. They can wait.